Reflow oven from the Italian company TWS model 1385 EVO. The furnace is equipped with a profiler and a USB port for connecting to a computer so we can download data continuously. Dedicated software allows profiling the oven. There are emergency stops at both ends to stop the furnace in case of an emergency. At the exit, the operator can adjust the speed of the cooling zone fan with a knob. There are passive air exhaust on the cover and a window through which we can see the current status of the soldering process. To open the cover, start by unlocking and lifting up. Weight of the cover is held thanks to gas springs. The process chamber consists of an input and output flux trap, where the flux vapors settle, and zones that are divided by upper and lower partitions, which prevents one zone from influencing the other. The oven is equipped with sets of heaters and fans that distribute heat evenly in the zones. This model has a mesh conveyor as standard. Optionally, edge transport is available, consisting of a fixed beam, a movable beam, and a central support. If you want to use edge transport, you must first adjust the width to the PCB using the knob. Closing the furnace cover involves pressing the bolts. The oven is turned on by moving the lever upwards, located on the side casing. After confirming that there are no errors on the display, the system starts. In the main program window, we set the temperatures and transport speed. The currently assigned value of 360 millimeters per minute coincides with the real one. Above the illustration of the oven, there are temperature values divided into zones, which are constantly updated and marked in blue when the temperature is still rising and green when it has already reached the set number. The next tab contains ready-made programs. After selecting and confirming them, the settings are automatically transferred to the main page by the system. The next part of the screen shows a graph of the temperature level for a given zone, which can be switched using the arrow buttons on the right. The green bar represents the process window. In the last tab, we see the furnace parameters, where we can set e.g. security limits. These devices and others in our offer can be seen in action at the Renex Technology Center.